Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you computer fundamental, means basic knowledge about computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which is used for storing and processing data. Evolution of computers. First device is abacus. Before the evolution of computers, everything was done manually. Manual computing started to become ineffective as it was very time consuming and led to the occurrence of many errors. Many attempts were made to develop faster computing gadgets with the growing need of faster performance and calculation. The earliest known calculating device was abacus. It was developed by the Mesopotamians around 3000 BC. The abacus itself doesn't calculate, it's simply a device for helping a human being to calculate by remembering what has been counted. You can see the picture of abacus. This is the picture of abacus. Here you can see there are different rods, means number of rods, and this is these are the beads, number of beads. Okay, so you can see this is the picture of abacus, number of rods, number of beads. Next device is Napier's bone. Napier's bone is a manually operated calculating device created by John Napier of Scotland for the calculation of products and quotient of numbers. This device contains a set of rods made up of bones. There are 10 bones signifying the digits 0 to 9, and there is one more, means 11th bone, that represent the multiplier. The product of two numbers is easily acquired by setting bones corresponding to the multiplier on the left side. So students, you can see the pictures of Napier bone device. This is Napier bone device developed by John Napier. So students, next device is Pascaline. Pascaline, also called arithmetic machine, was designed by French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal in 1642. The Pascaline was capable of performing addition and subtraction along with carry transfer capacity. You can see the picture of Pascaline. Pascaline. Next device is Leibniz calculator. In 1673, German mathematician and philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz expanded the capacity of Pascaline by adding the capacity to perform multiplication and division, and this device was called Leibniz calculator. It was made up of copper and steel. So students, you can see the picture of Leibniz calculator. Okay, this is called Leibniz calculator. Picture of Leibniz calculator. Next device is Jacquard loom. Invented by Joseph Jacquard and demonstrated in 1801, the Jacquard loom is an attachment for powered fabric looms. It uses a chain of punch cards to instruct the loom on how to make intricate textiles. This was designed to make the cotton weaving process automatic. So students, you can see the picture of Jacquard's loom. This is the picture of Jacquard's loom. Next, difference engine. The difference engine is a mechanical calculator first developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It is capable of computing several sets of numbers and making hard copies of the results. Due to lack of funding, he was never able to complete a full-scale functional version of this machine. However, in June 1991, the London Science Museum completed the difference engine number 2 for the bicentennial year of Babbage's birth and later completed the printing mechanism in 2000. The analytical engine. The analytical engine is a machine first processed by Charles Babbage in 1837 that is considered to be the concept for the first general mechanical computer. The design features an ALU, means arithmetic logic unit, and permitted basic programmatic flow control. It was programmed using punch cards inspired by the Jacquard loom. It also featured integrated memory. For these reasons, historians considered it to be the first design concept of a general purpose computer. Students, you can see the picture of analytical engine. Analytical engine. Mark 1. The IBM automatic sequence controlled calculator called Mark 1 by Harvard University staff was a general purpose electromechanical computer that was used in the war effort during the last part of World War II. One of the first programs to run on the Mark I was initiated on 29 March 1944 by John von Neumann. So students, in next session I will discuss generation of computers. Students, homework for today is question number 1. How are computers used in daily life? How are computers used in daily life? Second, discuss computer boon or a ban. Okay, discuss computer boon or a ban. Third, computer was invented by, this is your fill in the blanks. Computer was invented by. Fourth question is interior storage. Interior storage of information is put on fill in the blank, then disk. Thank you.